This is High-Tech Electronics Pune make a strain gauge strainer kit on which we will measure a weight on this display by keeping the weight on this cantilever beam. So here is a strain gauge bridge. The output of strain gauge bridge is very small. So to amplify this output, we are using instrumentation amplifier and measuring the output of instrumentation amplifier at here. To measure the weight of this cantilever beam on this display, we have to connect these two probes. That is, we have to connect the output to the digital display. We can also measure the output on multimeter using these two probes, but now we are using this display. Before starting the experiment, we have to take some precaution that to adjust the display on 0 by using this 0 adjustment potentiometer. Okay, the display is set on 0. Now using this cantilever beam, we will keep the weight on this beam. This is 200 gram weight. Let us check. Okay, yes, we have kept the weight here and the output of beam is connected at this point using this connector. So as per the weight is showing us a 192 gram. So while starting the experiment at the first weight, we have to adjust the weight using this weight adjustment potentiometer. So we will keep the display on 200 gram. We will start increasing the weight on cantilever beam. We have added 200 gram block. It is showing us 377 gram. We can also check the weight in micro strain also using this switch. Now it is showing us in gram. By switching this button, it will show us value in micro strain. It is showing us 104 micro strain. If we will remove the one block, it will show us half of that. So that is 54 micro strain. We will go increasing our weight. We have added one more block of 200 gram. Now it is showing us 568 gram. We will add one more block, 771, and in microstrain it is showing us 209 microstrain. So we have added 1000 gram on the cantilever beam. It is showing us 984 gram. Let us check this in microstrain. It is showing us 266 microstrain. Hence we have seen the strain gauge strainer kit. Thank you.